Hi guys, welcome to Marites Pinay UK channel. Today guys, my vlog we are going to unboxing. So this is my purchase from Christian Dior. So yan siya guys. Bubuksan natin. I purchased this. This is gonna be a present for my daughter as she requested this perfume. So, ano siya guys? Bubuksan natin. Mayroon din siyang concealer forever from Dior. This one is the perfumes from Dior. So, yan, bubuksan natin. Wow. Ay, okay. So, J'adore perfume dito J'adore. Ayan. Siya guys. Yan. J'adore. So, buksan natin. Wow. So nice. So, yan guys. Yung J'adore perfume. So, yan. Binili ko to para sa aking daughter as she requested para gagamitin niya sa kanyang wedding day. So, ayan siya by Christian Dior. This one I buy myself for mask. So, ayan siya guys, mask. This is the Light Facial Beauty instrument. So, parang pang ano to siya guys, facial. Pang facial, pang tightening sa skin. Yan. Tayo dito pa. Ay, hirap buksan. So, yan siya guys. I-ano to siya, yan, meron siya, isaksak mo yan. Tapos, ito yung pang tightening mask. Ito for facial. Ganyan siya guys. Yan. Tapos i-plug in. Yan. Gagamitin mo ito. Facial mask. So, yan. Facial mask. By Christian Dior. So, ayan siya. Beauty mask, beauty instrument product. Scientification. So, yan. Ayan na yan. Product specification. So, ilalagay natin siya. Mask. Para tighten yung ating skin. So, yan lang siya guys. At ito yung forever concealer. And this is our J'adore perfume. Thank you for watching my vlog for today. And thank you for subscribe Marites Pinay and UK. See you around guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.